Welcome to VDS Tech Lab. Now in this video we'll discuss about one of the very important topic in Python, that is super function. Where we use super function and how we can use super function, we'll discuss in this video in great details. So let's open the PyCharm, and I have already created the Python file, that is super function. So super function, how to use the super function? By using of the super function, we need to class with the relationship of parent and child. So basically we are using super function in inheritance. It is used in both multi-level, multiple inheritance. So without writing the name of the method, we can use directly the super function, and we can call the parents class method. So how we can call? So let's write the code actually. So for that I'll create the class. Okay, so class A, and class A has some functions, some methods. So I'll define like m1 is the method. Okay, and then what I'll do, I'll write here simply print feature m1. Okay, feature feature m1. Another I'll create another function, that is m2, def m2, and then what I'll do, I'll also print the same print, because we are our main motto how to implement super function in this. So how we can call, so that's why I'm writing very basic function. So feature m2, feature m2, feature, okay, see, feature m2. Now what I'll do, I'll create one more class B, and that class is inherit the class A. So in that case, the class A is our parent class, base class, okay, super class, or I can say parent class, base class, super class. These are the various names that we can call. And class B is our base class, derived class, and child class as well. Okay, so the same method I'll copy, and just I'll rename m1 and m2. So I'll paste here, and what, instead of m1, this is m3, and this is m4. Okay, so and the feature m3 here, feature m3, and here feature m4 is there. Okay, now if we'll see what happens, if we'll create the object of class B. So let's suppose class B, and we can access all of the method, because we are inheriting, see, m1, m2, m3, m4, every method we are able to access by creating the object of child class, because we are inheriting the property of parent class. Okay, but now if I'll call here itself like super, see, this is super, and what I'll do, I'll not m3, here I'll call m1. Okay, so if we are calling b dot, and what I'll call m3, the method of class B. So, and along with that, we are also calling the super class method. Super class means parent class method m1 with using super function. So let's see it. If it prints, then what happens? See, it will print first. It will print m3, see, m3, and then parent class method m1. Okay. So in the same way, this is for method, and let's suppose if we have constructor in both method, constructor, okay, constructor, and I'll print here, print init in A, okay, and now if simply I'll call what, super, okay, super, and dot underscore init. See, it will call the super class constructor. It will call the super class constructor init A, because see, whenever we are creating, see, if let's suppose I'll do this one, I'll comment this one, and if again I'll call, because anyway whenever we are creating the object, the constructor will call automatically. Okay, internally, see, explicitly we are creating here constructor. If we are not creating the constructor, implicitly it will call internally automatically, I would say. Okay, but though we have created, so it will call. And now what I'll do, if we, let's suppose if we have the constructor of this method, I mean of the child method, then see what happens. Print init of b, init of b. Okay, see what happens in this case. For now I'll remove this one. Okay, so see what happens. It is calling of b, because whenever we are creating the object, it will search first in their own area, I mean in their own class itself. If it not find, then it will go with their super class, means parent class. Okay, now if we want to explicitly call the parent class constructor, then what happens? Then how we can call? See, here we can call super super and dot ln. See, in this way we can call the parent class constructor. See here, init A, init B, and this one. So see, here we have called what? The parent class method with the super function, and here the parent class constructor with super function. Okay, so this is the use of super. So I mean, so far we have discussed how we can create the class and how we can inherit. So then how we can call the super class constructor and super class method function by using the super function. Okay, means parent class method by using the super function. Okay, so that's all in this video, and I have noted down a few lines here. The benefits of using super function are: need not to remember or specify the parent class name to access its method inside the child class. Okay, super function can be used both in single and multiple inheritance. Okay, both in single and multiple inheritances we can use, and this implements modularity and code reusability. There is no need to rewrite the entire function again and again. Okay, so this is the benefit of super function in Python. Okay, so that's all in this video. So thank you for watching. If you like, then please press the like button and subscribe my channel. Thank you. Thanks a lot.